Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video for you and it's all about the reverse French technique. I will show you step by step how to achieve this perfect and professional French look. I will show you what kind of products you will need and how you can use them. So if you want to know how I did this beautiful set, make sure to give it a thumbs up and keep watching. As always, I start removing my old set of gel nails using a nail clipper to shorten them and a drill to file off the 90% of the builder gel. If I show you this step, it's because a lot of you ask me if it's possible to do a new set of gel nails right after a removal, and the answer is yes. Okay, so now it's time for my cuticles, and we'll use a diamond drill bit to push them and remove all the excess skin. Here I'm just using a 150 grit nail file to file off the remaining length and gel on my nails. Then I will cleanse them with a cleanser in order to prepare the nail plate perfectly.
Just like a spark that's breaking out, can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sun.
Okay, so here is my secret for this video. I'll be using these curved nail tips I got from Amazon some years ago, and I can tell you they are my absolute favorite since then. So I'm just applying them with my favorite nail glue as I would do with any kind of nail tips. Just be careful when applying curved nail tips because sometimes they are a little bit hard to do to the extreme curve, so make sure you pick the right size for each one. If it's too small, the tip won't stay in place even if you apply a lot of glue. It's better to choose a size up. Now it's time to prepare the nail tips. I will file the sides so they match with my natural parallels, and I will also blend the spot where the tip and my natural nails meet to make sure I will have a perfect and smooth surface. Then I will buff the tips to remove the shine, and we are ready to apply products. Okay, so as always, I'm applying a nail base. This is one of my favorites. It is the hybrid base from Victoria Vin, and I will cure it for 1 minute on each nail.
We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in.
Then we will need a super thick cover builder gel, and these are the two that I love to use when doing this technique. As you can see, they are so thick they won't flow even if you put the jars upside down. So I will take a little bit of this gel and start to create the nail bed. You have to give it a nice almond shape in order to have a perfect smile line afterwards. I will do this step one by one and then repeat to elevate the surface, because then we'll have to find the shape of the smile line to make it look super smooth.
Just like a spark that's breaking out, can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up, babe. Tonight we're gonna light it up just like the sunrise.
Okay, so this is the moment you will smoothen the smile line by filing it on each nail with a hand file. You can use the drill if you want to, but you will have to use specific drill bits and to go very slow. If you worked well on the smile line previously, this step will be super fast. As you can see, I'm just filing a little bit one by one. I also filed the surface of the nail plate I just created, and that's it.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna let it out. Tonight, we're gonna let it out. Tonight, we're gonna let it out. Just like the sunrise, we're gonna let it out.
So this is a super soft milky white builder gel, and I will use it to do my French. As you can see, I'm applying it against my smile line, and I also put some over it because we will have to file anyway to achieve a perfect structure. So my advice is to always put the gel you are using for the French against the smile line, so when you will file the final surface, the result will be perfect. Here I choose to use this gel because I wanted a natural look, but you can also use glitters and colors and simply encapsulate them with any clear butter gel.
There's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna let it out. Tonight, we're gonna let it out. Tonight, we're gonna let it out. Just like the sunrise, we're gonna let it out. Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna.
Once I finished curing it in the lamp, I will simply file the surface and make sure my powders and my structure are perfect. Don't be scared to file on the nail plate again because it's made of builder gel, so it won't disappear.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up, babe. Tonight we gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up now.
Okay, so now I can finish my set with this beautiful top coat, and that's it. I hope you really enjoy this video and that it helped you with this technique. My advice is just to take your time when doing it and maybe try to first do one nail at a time to understand the importance of each step, and I'm pretty sure you will succeed. Thank you very much for watching. I will let you watching this last videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to follow me on Instagram. I love you guys. Thank you.
They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up, babe. Tonight we gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up now. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make